NLS BARD Mobile How-To Series, How to Navigate an Audiobook.
Hi, I'm Judy Dixon, Consumer Relations Officer at NLS. In this edition of the BARD Mobile How-To Series, I am going to cover navigating an audiobook. Several options are available for navigating audio materials. You can use the navigation panel, the adjustable position slider, or the jump by and previous and next buttons on the player interface. To use the navigation panel, select the navigation button from the Now Reading tab in BARD Mobile. If you are using an iPhone or iPod Touch, selecting the navigation button will bring you to a new screen. If you are using an iPad, the navigation panel will open in a popover screen. Not all navigation options are available in every audiobook and magazine. The three sections within the navigation panel are Contents, which are generally chapters or sections of a book or magazine, Page, which are page numbers if available, and Bookmark, which are set at the beginning and end of a book and any others you add. Navigating by contents will allow you to jump from section to section or chapter to chapter within a book. Chapters or sections that have another level, indicated by a gray arrow or the word plus, can be expanded by double tapping and holding. Navigating by page allows you to jump from page to page within a book. Navigating by bookmark allows you to jump from the beginning and end of the book and to and from any bookmarks you have inserted. Note that unavailable navigation options will be indicated by the word dimmed. To use the adjustable position slider, activate it and then flick up with one finger to move toward the end of the book in increments of 10%, or down with one finger to move toward the beginning of the book in increments of 10%. To use the jump by button, double tap it to hear the current navigation level. Change the navigation level by double tapping the jump by button again. When you hear the level you wish to jump by, double tap the previous button to navigate toward the beginning of the book and double tap the next button to navigate toward the end of the book. Note that your jump by selection is saved for each title. So if you set it to jump by chapter in a particular title, when you return to that title, it will jump by chapter when you use the previous and next buttons. For more information about using BARD Mobile, see the other tutorials in this series.